I will give a salient features of himself. He joined the Indian Police Service in 1970 and rose to a topmost rank of the Director General of Police Maharashtra, commanding a force in 2 lakhs, force of 2 lakhs. He served nearly all the departments of the police force, but his major stint has been with the traffic chief of Mumbai and also the traffic chief of entire Maharashtra. He introduced many innovative schemes for smoothing traffic flows and improving road safety. He succeeded in bringing down road fatalities by more than 60% despite ever-increasing traffic. He won acclaim from the World Bank, general public, and the media. He's also the recipient of President's Police Medal for Distinguished Service, awarded by the President of India, Indian Police Medal for Meritorious Services, awarded by the President of India. He has written several books on traffic management, and he has been, even now he has been attending many international conferences on traffic management, and he's the traffic experts the country has today. And we are greatly honored to have him here, sir, and we are very, very thankful to you for coming all the way. And now I request him to start the session.
We have 5 speakers who are involved with the traffic management and ITS systems and other traffic-related subjects. We also have presentation from young IITians from Kharagpur. And what we propose is that I'll introduce the topic for about 6-7 minutes. Then we'll hand over the mic stage to various speakers. We have Joint Commissioner Traffic, Mr. Garg. We have IG Madhya Pradesh, Mr. Sharma. We have Traffic Chief from Mumbai, Mr. Falsalkar. Mr. Muralidharan, he is representing CIG Center. He is the Assistant Director and HOD CIG Center. Then we have Mr. Chikhara, who is RTO from Delhi. And then we'll invite the youngsters at the appropriate time. What we do is we'll have first 2 speakers, Mr. Garg and Mr. Sharma. Thereafter, maybe around 11:25, 11:30, we'll break for a cup of tea where you can interact with each other, and then we'll restart and conclude by about 1:30. Well, friends, today almost 1/4 of the urbans of the total space on this earth is used for various traffic transportation systems, including the road network. It's almost 1/4 of the total space available. Nearly 2.5 billion vehicles are moving or struggling in the traffic jams. 2.5 billion, 1 billion is 100 crore or 1,000 million. And they're consuming nearly 3 trillion liters of fuel. 3 trillion. 1 trillion is 12 zero. What we in India say kharab, kharab. If I ask you to count 1 trillion, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, can anybody guess how much time will you take? Just rough guess. You have got a foreigner friend. How much time will you take to count 1 trillion? If you have to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How much? 2 days. 100 days. 100 years. Oh. It will take about 20,000 years. Because one day has 86,400 seconds. Presuming you have counted 2 lakh per day, you have counted only 7.5 crore per year. Now you keep on multiplying 70, 1 crore is 70. So that is, so they're burning 3 trillion of fuel. 700,000 people get killed in road accidents and nearly 15 million are injured all over the world. The situation in India is pretty bad because we contribute to about 1,15,000 fatalities every year, which is about 16 to 17% of the entire world. And our vehicle population is about 120 million. Most of the accidents in India take place in the 40 metropolitan cities and on the national highways. Situation is further worsening because it's not only the safety which is the casualty, it's also the degrading environment, the pollution effects, and so on. And of course, our over-dependence on oil adversely affects our economy. Every time, whenever we talk of inflation, that gets associated with what the oil prices are. And more people in our country are migrating into urban areas. Today, the average urban population is about 32%. Unfortunately, we have not been able to mitigate this problem. Though number of seminars are held, I might have attended about 200-300 seminars in my career, but the solutions suggested mostly catch dust. So I'm very happy that there's another attempt, one more attempt, maybe 301st or 302nd, I don't know, to discuss the same issues, but through different speakers. So what I propose is, now I'll hand over to the speakers. At the end, after the speakers have finished, we'll have question-answer session. And while summing up, I will try to tell you what is happening globally, what the speakers have told, and perhaps what vision we can have, and let's see how the things work. I was the chairman of the National Road Safety Committee for 2 years and submitted my report in 2002, October, and it was discussed in Parliament and accepted in toto, but nothing came through. There's so many things. I was with the National Road Safety Policy, which we did in 2007. I don't know. We'll discuss all those things. So I just wanted to apprise you, sensitize you. The problems are real. It's not only traffic jams, but it is also environment related, fuel and foreign currency related, and safety of the people, which cannot be measured on any physical scale. So urban traffic management and safety is a serious concern, and let's discuss it more openly so that we come up with something more definite. Thank you very much. Now, we have Mr. Satyendra Garg, who is the traffic chief of of Delhi. He is an IPS officer from 1987 batch, recipient of the Indian Police Medal and also Governor Medal, Gold Medal. And well, I don't have to tell you, he did a wonderful job during the most trying times when we had CWG staged in Delhi. Traffic was very well managed despite various odds. Over to Mr. Garg. My request to all speakers will be, the time given to you must be adhered to very, very sincerely. You are having 30 minutes, sir, to complete the topic and stick to 29 minutes and 60 seconds. Thank you.
Whenever I talk on traffic subject,